Come and dive with us in the sea of Friuli Venezia Giulia. The seabed is made of rock and sand, and you can make relaxing and fun dives. Visibility is generally good, and the water temperature is also pleasant. Look at the spirograph that retreats quickly into its tube. There are also fish that blend in perfectly with the seabed. Sistiana is located in an inlet, sheltered from the currents, and the seabed is not deep. You will be surrounded only by the blue of the sea, listening to your breathing. It is exciting to discover the underwater world and have an intimate contact with nature. Come and immerse yourself in the sea of Friuli Venezia Giulia and try this wonderful experience. See you guys in the next video of Friuli Venezia Giulia. Ciao by Torzeando! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.